Hello dear friends, in trick number 360, yet another division trick. This time we are going to try and divide numbers by 9 orally within a time frame of just 3 to 4 seconds. Now let's see how this works out. See, when we have to divide a number by 9, we will try and find the quotient and the remainder, not the answer in decimals. So the method goes like this. The first digit is to be written as it is, and this is to be added to the next digit. So 1 plus 2 is 3, and carry on with this procedure. 3 plus 3 is 6. So the last digit will give you the remainder, and 1 and 3, 13 gives you the quotient. So very simple, 13 is the quotient and 6 is the remainder. Now this seems a very simple example. Let's apply it here. Then we will take some complex examples. Say 6, 6 plus 1, 7, and 7 plus 1, 8. So 8 is the remainder and 67 is the quotient. Again a very simple example, 67 quotient and 8 remainder. Apply it here. Now the situation will be a little bit tricky. 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. Now you see the last number. The last number is larger than the divisor, that is 9. And we cannot have a remainder which is greater than the divisor. So we can subtract 1 9 from this, and since one multiple of 9 is subtracted to give the next remainder, that is 6. So 6 is the remainder. And since we have subtracted one multiple of 9, so we have to add 1 to the next number. So our answer for the quotient will be 10 plus 1 11. So 1 carry. This is 7, this is 3, and this is 1. So 1731 is the quotient and 6 is the remainder. Slightly difficult, but practice of 10 to 15 minutes, I am sure you will get it within no time. Let's have some more examples. Say 5, 6, 1, 4. So 5 comes down, 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, 12 plus 4, 16. Now see, 16 is greater than 9, so subtract 9, you get 7 as the remainder. And since we have subtracted one multiple of 9, so add 1 here, you get your quotient. 12 plus 1, 13, 3, 1 carry. 11 plus 1, 12, 2, 1 carry, and 6. So 623 is the quotient and 7 is the remainder. Likewise, we can solve two more examples. Say 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 7, 12, 12 plus 0, again 12, 12 plus 5, 17. Now see, 17 minus 9 is 8, so 8 is the remainder. And since we have subtracted one multiple of 9, add 1 here. Now you will get the quotient. 12 plus 1, 13, 3, 1 carry. 12 plus 1, 13, 3, 1 carry. This becomes 6 and we have a 2 here. So 2633 is the quotient and 8 is the remainder. One more example. So 1 comes down. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 9, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. Now you see 9 goes 2 times. So we can subtract 18 from this to get 4 as the remainder. And since we have subtracted 2 multiples of 9, so add 2 here. Now you will get the quotient 18. So we'll put a line here. 18, 8. We have 1 carry. So plus 1. 14 plus 1, 15. 5. Again 1 carry. So 6, 2, 1. So 12,658 is the quotient and 4 is the remainder. So you see students, simple method and the entire traditional division you will surely forget. Now these are the methods which you need to remember for success in competitive exams so that you can save a lot of time and solve a greater number of questions in minimum amount of time. So if you like it, share it and subscribe the channel.